Welcome back to another video. Today we're fitting carpet in a bedroom. Luckily for us, the underlay is already down, so all we're going to do is supply the carpet and fit. As you can see me here, I am tucking the carpet down behind the gripper. We like to clean up as we go along, it makes it a bit easier when we're finished. At the top end of the room, we're going to put a small join. Now the carpet was a little bit tight going underneath the door, but there was just enough room under the door to get the carpet through. So I was most relieved that we didn't have to take the door off. And what I did was I got my colleague, as you can see, to pull the carpet under the door as we rock the door slightly. Oh, there you go. We got it under. And as you can see, the door opens and closes fine. So I'm now about to make a cut in the carpet behind the door to relieve this tension. And then I should move along swiftly and start stretching the carpet. And if you can see the carpet moving as I kick it with the NIKITA. I'm now making a relief cut. So now I'm going to stretch away from the doorway, making sure that the carpet stays flat, and then I shall get my young man to check the doorway to make sure that I haven't pulled the carpet out. And I personally prefer to use a hook blade when cutting down the carpet. I find and it works a lot quicker. I do use a straight blade mainly for cutting underlay and cutting down of the carpet when you're cutting up the carpet to fit. Now I'm getting the carpet out to get ready to cut for the join. Unfortunately, while I was doing the join, the battery died in the head cam, and I didn't realise, so I didn't get the footage of me actually doing the join. So in the next video, I will show you how I did the join. What I'm doing now is I'm walking on the joint. This is a personal preference of mine. I like to walk along the joint just to make sure it's well seated. And that's it. We're all done now. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe. Comments down below. Thank you for watching.